The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Too many people wait for the right time, but the truth is there is no perfect moment. The only difference between you and a successful entrepreneur is that they started. Today, we're breaking the cycle of fear, excuses, and self-doubt. The power of entrepreneurship. Why starting a business is the best decision you can make. Freedom, no more bosses, set your own schedule. Wealth potential, jobs keep you surviving, businesses help you thrive. Legacy, you're building something beyond yourself. Elon Musk started Zip2, got rejected multiple times, now owns Tesla and SpaceX. Every successful entrepreneur you admire once stood where you are right now, faced with a choice. Do I start or do I stay stuck? Here are some of the reasons why people don't start. Fear of failure. What if I lose money? What if people judge me? Perfectionism. Waiting for the perfect idea, plan, or moment. Comparison. Thinking others are ahead, so why bother? Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Walt Disney was fired for lack of imagination. Now Disney is worth over $200 billion. Failure is simply learning. Every mistake is a lesson that gets you closer to success. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. 3 simple ways to find your business idea. 1. Solve a problem you faced. Airbnb was created because the founders couldn't find cheap hotel rooms. 2. Turn your passion into profit. A photographer selling online courses on Instagram. 3. Spot a trend before it explodes. Cryptocurrency, AI tools, eco-friendly products. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The 3-step minimal startup plan. 1. Start with what you have. Don't wait for big capital. Use free tools like Shopify trials, Canva, or Instagram. 2. Sell before you build. Test your idea first. Pre-sell your product before manufacturing. 3. Keep it simple. Avoid overcomplicating. Start lean, then scale. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Success habits of entrepreneurs. They wake up early and plan their day. They surround themselves with like-minded people. They take consistent action, even when they don't feel ready. Follow these daily success rituals. 1. Spend 15 minutes brainstorming business ideas. 2. Take one small step every day toward launching. 3. Listen to one business podcast or read an entrepreneurial book per week. This is your sign. Start now.